guys, welcome to Podio Automation. Today we are exploring the powerful integration between Podio and Lob. Are you tired of manually sending direct mails, wasting time and resources? With Lob, you can automatically send direct mails to your customers or partners directly from Podio. Let's get started. This is my Podio account and this is the app leads. Click on it. This is the lead that I have created for testing purpose and the details are already filled here. Go to direct mail portion. You have to enter the name of sender to which you want to send the direct mail. In this field you have to enter the address of the sender. I have entered Podio automation for testing purpose and added a random address here. From here, you can choose different Lob documents. You can integrate multiple documents from Podio. I select normal merge for this video. You can select any of them which you want. Now click on send letter. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see the status is changed from send letter to letter sent. Now go to your Lob dashboard. From print and mail, click on letters. This is the recent letter that I have created. Click on this letter. If you want to view the letter, this is the button to view the letter. Click on it. This is the PDF form of the document. This is the name Podio automation that I have entered in my Podio lead and this is the address same as I have entered in my Podio lead. This is the document normal merge that I have selected from here. You can see how simple it is to integrate Podio with Lob. This integration saves us from manually sending direct mails to customers. If you want such type of integrations, you can contact us. Our contact details are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching Podio Automation.